Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone? The vastness of space has always intrigued humanity, sparking questions about our place in the universe. Elon Musk does. He dreams of a future where humans inhabit Mars. For Musk, Mars is not just a distant red dot in the sky, it's a new frontier, a place where humanity can thrive and expand its horizons. Musk, the visionary behind Tesla and SpaceX, believes we can land humans on Mars within the next decade. His companies have already revolutionized electric cars and space travel, but Mars is his ultimate goal. It's a bold ambition, a giant leap for humanity. But are we ready? The idea of colonizing another planet is both thrilling and daunting, filled with possibilities and challenges. The journey to Mars is not a stroll around the block. It's a monumental task that requires overcoming numerous obstacles, from harsh environmental conditions to the psychological effects of long-term space travel. It's more like sailing across an uncharted ocean, fraught with peril and uncertainty. The risks are immense, but so are the rewards. Successfully reaching Mars could open up new avenues for scientific discovery and human advancement. Before we pack our bags for the Red Planet, we must confront the immense challenges that await us. Building sustainable habitats, ensuring a reliable food and water supply, and protecting against radiation are just a few of the hurdles we must overcome. The journey will push the boundaries of technology, drain our financial resources, and force us to grapple with complex ethical dilemmas. Is it right to invest so heavily in space exploration when there are pressing issues on Earth? These are questions we must answer as we look to the stars. Landing on Mars is a monumental task. First, we need to design a spacecraft capable of safely transporting humans across the vast cosmic gulf. The journey could take 6 to 9 months, exposing astronauts to harmful radiation and the debilitating effects of prolonged weightlessness. Once on Mars, the challenges multiply. The thin atmosphere offers little protection from the sun's radiation. Temperatures fluctuate wildly. Water, the elixir of life, is scarce. Creating a self-sustaining habitat on such a harsh and unforgiving world will demand ingenuity and resilience. The Martian environment poses significant risks to human health. Radiation exposure during the journey and on the surface could increase the risk of cancer and other illnesses. The thin atmosphere doesn't provide enough pressure for humans to survive without specialized suits. The lack of gravity on Mars could also have long-term effects on human physiology. We evolved to thrive in Earth's gravity. Prolonged exposure to lower gravity might weaken bones, muscles, and cardiovascular systems. Reaching for Mars will require deep pockets. Developing the necessary technology, constructing the spacecraft, and funding the mission will cost billions if not trillions of dollars. Some argue that these resources could be better spent addressing pressing issues here on Earth, such as poverty, hunger, and climate change. However, proponents of space exploration counter that investing in such ambitious projects often leads to spin-off technologies that benefit humanity in unexpected ways. For example, the Apollo program, which landed humans on the moon, spurred advancements in computing, materials, science, and medical technology. Section 5. Ethical considerations. Are we stepping on Martian toes? Before we plant our flag on Mars, we must consider the ethical implications of our actions. The excitement of exploring a new world is undeniable, but it comes with a heavy responsibility. We are not just visitors, we are potential disruptors of an alien ecosystem. Does life, even microbial life, exist on Mars? This question is at the heart of our ethical dilemma. Discovering even the smallest form of life would be groundbreaking, but it also means we must tread carefully. If so, do we have the right to colonize the planet, potentially disrupting or even extinguishing indigenous life forms? The introduction of Earth-based organisms could have irreversible consequences on Martian life, if it exists. These are not hypothetical questions. They are pressing issues that demand our attention and thoughtful deliberation. The scientific community is already grappling with these concerns, weighing the benefits of exploration against the risks of contamination. They are real concerns that require careful consideration and international cooperation. No single nation should make these decisions in isolation. A collaborative approach ensures that we respect Mars as a shared heritage of humankind. We must ensure that our exploration of Mars is conducted responsibly and sustainably, with respect for the planet and any potential life it may harbor. This means developing technologies and protocols that minimize our impact, allowing us to explore while preserving the integrity of Mars for future generations. Section 6. SpaceX, pioneering the path to Mars. Despite the challenges, progress is being made. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, is at the forefront of developing the technology needed to reach Mars. Their Starship program is designing a fully reusable spacecraft capable of carrying up to 100 people to Mars and beyond. Starship has already conducted several test flights demonstrating its potential. While there have been setbacks, each test provides valuable data that brings us closer to the dream of interplanetary travel. Section 7. Mars, a treasure trove of scientific discoveries. The scientific potential of Mars is immense. Studying the red planet could unlock secrets about the formation of our solar system, the history of water on Mars, and the potential for past or present life. Mars could also serve as a testing ground for technologies that could help us address environmental challenges on Earth. For example, learning to grow food in the harsh Martian environment could teach us valuable lessons about sustainable agriculture. Section 8. Apollo 11, a blueprint for Martian exploration. The Apollo 11 moon landing in 1969 stands as a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It showed that seemingly impossible dreams can be achieved with vision, collaboration, and unwavering commitment. While the challenges of reaching Mars are arguably greater than those faced by the Apollo program, the spirit of exploration remains the same. Just as Apollo inspired a generation, so too could a successful Mars mission ignite our collective imagination and propel us into a new era of space exploration. Section 9. The Final Frontier, a call to ponder. As we gaze into the infinite expanse of the universe, we are filled with wonder and curiosity. The mysteries of space have always beckoned us to explore beyond our earthly confines. The question of whether Elon Musk's Mars mission is too soon is a complex one. On one hand, the ambition to colonize Mars represents a giant leap for mankind, a bold step towards ensuring the survival of our species. There are valid arguments on both sides. Some argue that the technological and financial resources required could be better spent addressing urgent issues on Earth, such as climate change, poverty, and healthcare. What is undeniable is that the pursuit of space exploration pushes the boundaries of human knowledge, inspires innovation, and reminds us of our place in the vast cosmic arena. The advancements in technology and science that come from space exploration often have profound impacts on our daily lives. So, what do you think? As we look up at the stars, we are reminded of our potential to achieve greatness. The dreams of space travel ignite the imagination of young and old alike. Is it time to colonize Mars, or should we focus on solving problems closer to home? The debate continues, with passionate voices on both sides. Each perspective offers valuable insights into our priorities and aspirations as a species. The future of space exploration, and perhaps humanity itself, hinges on the answers we find together. As we ponder these questions, we must consider the legacy we wish to leave for future generations. Will we be the pioneers of a new frontier or the stewards of our home planet? The choice is ours to make.